Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will learn how can we change the language and region on the Slack app. So let's get started. Once you open this Slack, you are going to get this page. Now go to the profile icon on the top right corner. Here you have to click on the preferences, and in this you can see language and region option. Click on this and you can see languages. Now click on this scroll down icon and you can see many languages. You just have to click on the language that you want to apply here. You can also change the time zone if you want. Click on the scroll down icon, but once you have to just unclick this set time zone automatically. Now you can scroll down, click on the scroll down icon and choose any of the time zone that you want. Keyboard layout, you can also change the keyboard layout. So again, click on the scroll down icon and you can just choose any of the option and just click on that option. So this is how you can manage the language and region on this app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.